Clear Vision 16 football. This is a very unique product, and I don't know how I like it. You're gonna get 18 cards in a box, so you're paying $30 for 18 cards. So. Acetate finish on the cards too. Off we go. Emmanuel Ogba, $9.99, and that's the base. Something blue, Beckham blue, $99. Darian Thompson, $9.99. Clear shots, Julio Jones. Those are not numbered. One's thick. That's probably a jersey in that other one. There's a blue AJ Green, $99. This should be a hit. Framed fabrics, Odell Beckham /25. That's a weak patch for the card out of 25. I always pull a ton of Giants in this stuff. I've pulled a couple patch Sterling Shepherds and now the Beckham. Alright, that's it.